Hi, today I'm here to show you how to rename your design in Tinkercad so that we know whose design is whose, as well as get your design from Tinkercad, convert it into an STL file, and then get it into Google Classroom so that you can meet the requirements of your assignment. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to tinkercad.com and come over here to the sign in button and click on sign in. And then you'll see sign in using social providers. You want to click on that blue link, and then we're going to click on Google sign in. We want to click with our Google sign in and sign in with our Fortly Gmail account to access our design. And then once we're in, we'll be taken to our main dashboard, and you should see your recent designs there. And you want to go to the design for this project, the Seed Folks project, and we're going to rename our design. So to do that, we want to click on the design and click on Tinker This, and it will open up your design. And then in a few seconds, the main page opens. Right here on the left-hand side, you'll see next to the Tinkercad logo, right up here, it says Jar Dar. That's the name of my design. Tinkercad randomly assigns a name to each new design that you create, but you can rename that just by clicking on the name. And for these purposes, you're going to put your first and last name, followed by your teacher's name, followed by your period number, and then the name of your object, whatever your object is, refrigerator, you can shorten it, and then hit enter. And you'll see your name comes up, your teacher's name, the period, and the name of your object. So that's step one. Once you've renamed your object, now we want to download something called the STL file. That's the file that we're going to need when I show you how to do Cura, which will be in the next video. So let's come over here all the way to the right where it says export, download for 3D printing. We want to click on the export button. And then we want to come over here to where it says stl.stl because that's the type of file we need. And we want to click on STL. And then you should see your STL file start to download in the lower left-hand corner if you're on a desktop. Otherwise, it will download into your files on a Chromebook. And once you're done with that, you can then come up here to your Google Classroom and you can go to the assignment page in Google Classroom, go to the assignment for Tinkercad, and then come down here to where it says add. We're going to add a file. Come down and click on add file, and then select files from your computer. Click here, and then locate the file that you just saved or downloaded from Tinkercad, and then click on open. And then come over here to upload. And it'll take a moment, and then your STL file will be uploaded into your assignment. That's part one. Before we turn it in, we also need to take that STL file and convert it into its G code, which is the code that will be fed later on into the 3D printer so that I can 3D print your designs. So that will be in the next video. If you have any questions about getting your STL file out of Tinkercad and into Google Classroom, let Mrs. Spahn know.